expect y'all to sing along. Yeah. You know, it's interesting. I don't know if y'all have heard this song, the story to this song yet. So I'm going to kind of tell a little bit about this, how I wrote this song. People ask me, where the fuck did it come from? In my twisted brain, that's where it came from. But one night I was out on a date with this girl down the street, and we were talking about a bunch of different things. And she goes, yeah, when I was in high school, I was voted most likely to be eating people's babies. And I was like, oh my God, I gotta write a song about that, man. Like, what the fuck, that's the shit, man. So, you know, one day, it was on an Easter Sunday a couple of years ago, and I ate a whole bunch of fucking brownies, you know. And I'm sitting there, and I went down to the restaurant and get something to eat, and I looked down at my plate, and something was staring back at me, and it was a baby octopi. He's just as smart as me. And then my vegan friend's message finally hit me that I'm eating people's babies. That shit hit me like while I'm sitting there eating my Chinese food. I'm high as fuck, and I didn't have nothing to write down. I was like, all right, I'm a fucking genius, man. So I memorized that line, and I haul ass over to the nomads, and I sit down to write it all down. And this young, tall, large-breasted woman walks into the room, and I forgot every fucking thing I was singing. So at least I got that verse written down. And about a couple of months later, me and AJ, we booked a gig at this place called Sugar Magnolias, and it was like a Grateful Dead fucking weekend, and I did every psychedelic drug on the fucking planet, and had an epiphany, and it all hit me, and this is the result of it. And it goes like this here. Well, I went down to the restaurant to get something to eat, and I looked down at my plate, something staring back at me. It was a big octopi, he's just as smart as me. And then my vegan friend message finally hit me. I'm eating people's babies. Eating people's babies. Eating people's barbecue that you eat. You're eating people's babies. Eating people's babies. Eating people's babies. Eating people's Well, I never stopped thinking, started thinking about the trees. And all the plants are living just like you and me. And they're out there breathing, trying to spread their seed. So it doesn't matter what you eat, you're eating people's babies. Eating people's babies. Eating people's babies. Eating people's rise, never sing a seed, never put a sign that you eat. You're eating people's babies. Eating people's babies. people's babies. Eating people's babies. Well, you know, I did that song like that for a couple months, me and AJ, you know, and it was like, there was something, needed something else, you know, I needed something to wrap it all up, you know. One night up on the stage, we kind of standing there just like we are right now, and it hit me like an epiphany. This verse just popped in my head, you know. I started thinking to myself, while I'm singing the song, I'm like, you know that movie, They Live, the Rowdy Piper? That was not a fucking fiction movie. That was a documentary, man. It was telling the future. We're living in that world right now with the 5G. Them aliens, they're hiding behind all that shit, man. And only people, you know, like me, with my special glasses can see them. There's one of them, see, I see you over there in the corner. You can't hide from me. Well, we're sending out a message into outer space, telling all the galaxy about the human race. We're inviting them back to our place. Thank you, Carl Sagan. So they're foaming at the mouth just to see how we taste. 'Cause we're eating people's babies. Eating people's babies. Eating people's babies. People's babies. The aliens are coming down from outer space. They got us vaccinated to enhance our taste. They're gonna eat up all the human race. Cause we're eating people's babies. And for some reason you don't understand the meaning of that song, and you're not some young lady, I will explain it to you.